Do you think eating fat-free product make you lose weight? If the answer is yes, that's entirely not true. Watch this entire video to understand what is a fat-free product and how it is affecting your health. My name is Dr. Chitra. I am a GP as well as a weight management specialist. We all think fat makes us fat, right? That's what we have been told for decades. But the fat-free product is the main reason for the obesity crisis which we are facing now. Let's break down the science and uncover the truth. If you see this research conducted with real patients showed that the fat-free diet made us fat, it is a failed experiment. Science Direct published obesity epidemic is due to low fat products. This research very clearly explained a low fat product is the reason for increasing obesity epidemic all around the country. Okay, let's talk about why these fat-free products been introduced. In 1970s, the American research found that fat is an important reason for getting a heart attack. But during that period, there was no differentiation between good fat as well as a bad fat. All are considered as a fat. Because of this research, American Heart Association advised to reduce your fat intake to keep your heart healthy. This leads to a fat-free mania in 1980s as well as 1990s. The food industries rushed to remove the fat from the food products. But this created a new problem. When you remove the fat from the food, it changes the taste as well as the consistency. So what did the food industry do? They started adding some more flavor by adding sugar, refined carbs as well as some preservatives to improve the taste as well as the texture of the food. Instead of solving a problem, now there is a new issue because when you take sugar or carbohydrate, it spikes your blood sugar level very quickly in your body. At the same time, it drops down very quickly as well. That means when you eat fat-free products, you feel satisfied only for shorter duration because the sugar drops very quickly, so that you start craving for food quite often that end up eating quite a lot of calories that make you to put on extra weight. Think about adding a teaspoon of sugar in a water. It takes only few seconds to dissolve. Same way, if you add a 1 teaspoon of oil in the water, it will never dissolve. Similarly, if you take carbohydrate or sugar, it breaks down very quickly, rises your sugar level quickly as well as drop it. So you constantly feel craving. But if you are taking unsaturated good fat, that take longer time for our body to break down and releases the energy very slowly so that you will feel fuller for longer duration. Just to do a simple experiment, drink 200 ml of complete fat-free milk and see how long it is keep you full. You feel like just you are drinking water. But if you are drinking full fat milk 200 ml, that will keep you full for 2 to 3 hours. Of course, the full fat milk has lot of fat and calories, but it keep you feel fuller for longer and reduce your craving. They are all called unsaturated fat, which commonly see in all the nuts, seeds, avocado, oil, and salmon or any other oily fishes. So what are the benefits of taking a good fat? First, it helps you to maintain your weight, reduce your craving as well as the calories. Secondly, it helps you to boost your immune system. Thirdly, it look after your brain health because brain has about 60% of fat. Finally, British Heart Foundation as well as the new researchers shows taking an unsaturated fat help you to reduce the incidence of heart attacks. In this video, I'm not asking you to take full fat food all the time. Still, you need to restrict hard cheese as well as the meat products which has high fat, for example, lamb. Enjoy them occasionally, but focus on taking more unsaturated fat. Here I will give you a list of unsaturated fatty food which I recommend you to take it regularly in your diet. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe as well as share with just one person who you really care about. I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye.